Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. In the last class we had completed with the first part of the topic odd one in unit 1 1.2. So let's continue with the story. Well, remember these two characters? Who are they? Yes, Rima and Malti. Yes or not? How are these two? These are two different characters in the story. But we learn a lesson from the story is that what? That you can never judge anybody only by its outward appearance. So let's move ahead with the story. They were sure to get caught. Well, remember that when Malti began to sing, everybody was completely quiet. There was complete silence, so they were not able to make a single noise. When Malti finished, the principal was the first one to start clapping, followed by teachers and students. No one was surprised when Malti won first prize. Rima did come first in her category. Somehow she felt no joy. Though Rima also came first in her category, which was a category she was singing English song. But she was not happy. Why she was not happy? Because Malti also won. As the term progressed, it was abundantly clear to all that Malti was a bright child. She was quite studious and intelligent. She fared well in sports as well as in studies. That means she was able to perform very well not only in sports but also in studies. Her forte was mathematics. That means forte means what? She was performing very well, something she was very good in at. What was it? It was mathematics. Her simple appearance belied. What do you mean by belied? That means when you fail to give the true impression or false impression being given. Belied a sharp and nimble brain. Nimble brain means what? That means a person who is able to think very quickly, very sharp minded. Slowly, many of the girls began seeking her help in mathematics, help which she readily and cheerfully gave. That means she never said no. She was ready to help the friends any time. The teacher had liked the respectful, intelligent girl from the beginning. Now girls from the class also befriended her. Now, earlier nobody was coming ahead to become friend of her because of her appearance. But when they realized the qualities in her, slowly and steadily, all the girls became friend of her, befriended her. Not Rima and her clique. What do you mean by this clique? That means when a group of the person are there who are very narrow and they are exclusive. They do not mix and their thinking is also very narrow. They stubbornly, means they firmly disliked Malti. They were a stylish lot and nothing that Malti did not alter the fact that she was not their type. Malti was not their type, as was Rima and her friends. They never lost a chance to poke fun at her. What do you mean by poking a fun of her? Again, trying to insult, to make someone seem stupid by making jokes about them or laughing very unkindly just to insult others. Particularly her English. Malti felt bad about their behavior. One day she was on her verge of tears That means she was about to cry. She was very near to cry when Rima mocked at her mercilessly because she said X instead of ask. Mercilessly, very cruelly. See, sometimes what happens now, our pronunciation, we don't know how to pronounce a particular word. So by mistakenly, she said X instead of ask. So they started laughing. Her voice trembling, Malti said, I know my English is weak. So she accepted that, yes, my English is weak, yours is good. Please, will you help me to improve it? So she was requesting her that, will you help me to improve it? I won't be able to help you, my dear. So Rima, she gave a very rude answer. She reluctantly said, no, I won't be able to help you, my dear, replied Rima with an exaggerated accent. Exaggerated means in an increased or altered voice. Accent means what? When you speak na, that means when a special attention is given, the proper pronunciation. So accent means pronunciation. Speaking proper English isn't easy for you countrified types. That means what? You simple girl coming from countryside, you unsophisticated girls. That means she commented that it is not easy for such type of girls. See how her behavior was. Do you all think that her behavior was correct or appropriate? Malti's face turned red. She wanted to retort. She wanted to give proper answer to them. But she could not find the right words. She burst into tears and ran off. At that time, she could not find the correct words and she started crying. That was horrid, Rima, said Shehnaz. So Shehnaz, when she saw the behavior of Rima, even she accepted that this behavior was very, very horrible. Yes, agreed Neha and Claire roundly. Even they also said yes. That means they also uh, were ready to accept that the behavior of the Rima was very, very horrible and unacceptable. Rima was shocked. Her own friends had turned against her. She walked off in a huff, and hurriedly she went away from there. Hurriedly and angrily, you can call it, as if it was a sort of insult. So she left away from there. Mr. Saint found her subdued over the lunch. Mrs. Saint, the mother, found that she was very subdued. She was very quiet. She was very, very depressed on the lunch, but decided not to ask anything. But the mother did not ask the daughter what exactly had happened today. Rima knew that she had behaved very badly. See, many a times now, we know also that our behavior is not proper, but then also we behave very rudely. But our inner voice, our inner conscience says that no, you were wrong somewhere. She was too proud to admit it, even to herself. But she was very, very proud. She was so proud that she could hardly accept it to herself also that she was very proud. That means she rejected that she was proud, and according to her, whatever she did was correct. So this was the story Odd One In by Matiti Taura. Now here in this story, the extract we find that never judge anyone by its outward appearance, and it is our duty to respect everybody, however she is. Even the thoughts of somebody should be respected. Do you all agree with this or not? So children in the class also, never, never try to bull anybody or never try to be the victim of bullying. of anybody. And the question is left to y'all that whether Rima was correct, whether her behavior was appropriate. And one more thing, is it necessary to develop good accent? Do you all think? If yes, then what efforts can you take to improve your pronunciation? Everybody has to improve whatever. Suppose we feel that something is missing in us, we are lacking somewhere. So the best thing is what? Work hard. You should have strong willpower, dedication to improvise yourself. Hope you all have understood the story very well. So children, the essence of the message of the chapter was that in your life, never judge anybody by the outward appearance. Thank you.